Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to Let's Automate This. So what's going on in the AI journey? Hope all is well. I'm going to upload a few more tutorials soon. I see that the last one was received well, but just want to tell y'all what's been going on with me. I had the opportunity to meet Andy Elliott. If any of you guys know anything about sales, personal brand, or the car business, Andy Elliott is that guy. How did I meet him? How did this come to play? This is kind of off AI. This is like a separate subject, but I'm gonna bring it around full circle so you guys understand. So as you guys know, I've been doing a lot of content on YouTube and LinkedIn. Matter of fact, I don't even think I'm connected with Andy Elliott on LinkedIn, but I follow him. So one day he made a comment on one of his posts about what he had going on. From me commenting on that, he DM'd me. He DM'd me asking me my story, asking me questions, and I just thought it was like mind-blowing that I was actually talking, DMing, or in contact, whether it was with him or some type of automation. Fast forward, we was DMing for about a few months, and he said, hey, I'll be in NYC during these dates. And if you're interested, we can meet in person. So lo and behold, he sent me his information. He sent me where he was going to be at. And I made the journey from Brooklyn to Long Island to meet Andy Elliott. Pretty much he was doing a speaking engagement for an auto group company. I was able to meet the owner and meet some of the sales guys there and stuff like that. Being that Andy Elliott put me in the room and he listened to my story and we were able to connect, I thought it would be a great opportunity to meet some of the people in the car business. As you guys know, I have experience in the car business, to let them know what I was doing and offer my services for free. Unfortunately though, they weren't receptive. AI and voice AI is something that they're not interested in at the moment. Not to say they won't be in the future, but it was something that I was offering at no cost for them. And it's interesting to see how many business owners, no matter the industry, are so turned off with AI. Like they aren't even grasping the concept and what's happening in front of their eyes. Now, I said that I'll follow up with them in a few months just to see where they're at, but at that point, I might be on a whole nother level to where I'm not even going to be doing it for free anymore. You know what I mean? So this is what this conversation about is. As you're doing your AI journey, whether you're setting up your own AI business or you're a business owner who is skeptical about AI, use this story as an example. AI is here in some way, shape, or form, and it's changing everyone's industry. The early adapters are going to be the one who wins. And although the return on investment might not be obvious, you have a guy who is building and is an expert at this thing, who has experience in a specific industry, who is willing to offer services at no cost, and people are still turned off on it. Granted, I know sales is sales. When you're thinking about the car business, they have this thing, you miss a sale because people don't like, trust, or respect you. They don't like, trust, and respect me because I just met them. They have no idea what's going on. But what I'm saying is, when opportunities come to you early, if you are an innovator, if you are someone who knows technology and have seen it transform industries over years. Mind you, I was in the car business about 10 years ago. There's a CRM called Vin Solutions. And I remember when my company first got that, and it changed everything for them. people have to be open to technology. And if they're not open to technology, you're not going to get the sale. But me as a AI consultant, as a salesperson myself, I know that I got to do a better job at pitching this and selling this. And at no point was I pitching my service or trying to sell these guys. I was just letting them know, hey, this is what I do and I'm willing to do this for you. This is a company that has multiple car dealerships, and I'm pretty sure they have so many missed phone calls. I myself called their dealership at 4 or 5 in emergency, because that's when sometimes emergencies happen, when you need to service your car, you need to book an appointment, and your brain is spinning and you're not by a computer, or you're not at the point where you need to relax and book something on the phone. Book something on a website. So you want to call and see what's the next emergency. That's where the world is heading. Who can help you or provide a service on demand? Who can support and provide a service on demand? And that's what AI does. It provides a service on demand. With voice AI, you're able to book appointments on demand. No in between. Support clients on demand. No in between. So for the people who building their agencies out there, don't get discouraged. Don't take it personal, and just keep the ball rolling. Because I'm building an empire here. I'm building an AI empire right here, right now. And the people who are here with me at the beginning are gonna see this thing blow up into something amazing. This is just the beginning for me, but it's also just the beginning for whoever else is passionate about AI, whether you're building or you're thinking about investing in AI. Find you an expert, do your own due diligence and research, and go all in. I'm telling you, this is, listen, I know for a fact, because I come from specific businesses and have expertise, that this will knock it out the park. But again, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. And we are in the age of the old dog. There's so many businesses that aren't willing to adapt new tricks. Their response was, we're all set with AI tools. I'm not pitching a software. I'm building something that they can use internally. But again, it's my job to let people know the benefit and to pitch it or sell it better. AI is something that you should be selling, and you should be buying from someone who has the expertise in your industry, versus getting a third-party vendor that's just gonna hook something up that might not even be fruitful. So I say that to say this, man. I'm on this AI journey, and I'm here to make millions of dollars. Fuck you money type shit. And I'm on that journey. I promise you. And you guys are gonna see this. We're gonna be having a different conversation by the end of the year. So watch this video and then see me at the end of the year, because I promise things are gonna be real different. Real different. I'm Anthony Virgo. Let's automate this.